memorable evening to everyone gathered here. Secretary, chairman, treasurer, principal, vice principal, coordinators, teachers, versatile friends, and my dear parents and teachers who have gathered here to bid farewell to us. When I first entered to the school, it was really long. The length and the huge thing, it was really a big challenge. Finding ways, I used to follow seniors to reach my class. Infrastructure was so big. I didn't know what to do. And my parents just said few words like, school will go very fast. And I'm not able to realize that I'm the person, and 2 years passed away. I'm standing right in front of you to explain how journey of MMS has been to me. Everything eventually ends, as Kavyalini has already said to us. There's a universal truth. Forever is a lie. It is a beautiful fantasy of life. The end of the summer vacation, where your school begins and the vacation ends. The holidays. The end of a very good book. The end with a close friend. Everything. Whether or not you have to accept that. This is really a sad thing. Saying hi and goodbye for the simultaneous time is really hard. I never thought MMS would be so glad, so nice to me. The teachers, the students, we all were connected. We had a bond. The rapport which we had between teachers, students, no other school can give the same thing to us. Students were teachers, teachers were students. We all learned together many things. Not just the syllabus, not just the lessons, but the values, ethics, culture, tradition, and so on. It goes on. Knowledge has no boundaries, no limits, and this is what MMS has proved to me. The to and fro walks from dining hall, maybe it made us annoying, but it was healthy for us. The attire, the food, the healthy things, whatever we learn will always be back, will always be behind in any of the endeavors I'll be facing. I'll never forget this ground. We played games here. We had extended classes. We had extra classes. And everything is always memorable to me. Everything. The balconies, the corridors, the blackboards, the bench, the chairs, the morning assemblies. Every student in another school, maybe they'll have to wait to express what their talent is for a special event like this. But I personally say that MMS has this option of expressing your talents every week. You can express what your talent actually is, and MMS has been a big part of my life. Memories are the things that you have to remember, and everything gives you a memory. You see the early morning sunrise, it reminds us of how you used to get ready to school. When the rain sprinkles and wets your hair, it remembers of how we enjoyed playing with our friends in spite of many warnings. Please don't play in the rain, take care of your health, exams are forward. Whenever the rainbow lights up the sky, it reminds us of how we watched it with delight with friends. And when the evening ends, the only thought that reminds me is how I used to come every day looking forward for something or someone every day. This has been a great and splendid journey in MMS for me personally. Teachers, you have sacrificed a lot for us, a lot. Your passion, your determination and dedication to your profession can be unbeatable. Your methodologies, everything, I promise, will all be reaching great heights and will prove that we are the better students for you. Next time when students you meet each other, the only thought that reminds you is, he was my friend. The fun, the mischief thing that you required courage to do, everything that flashes your mind and reminds you of your school days. And everyone says that we'll enjoy again together, we'll meet up together, but no, we will not have that option. We'll be on our own lives. A current friend of yours maybe would be no one for you the next time you meet them. You say hi, and the other friend who would be your best friend in the later years would be pulling you behind, telling let's move, and you'll have to say bye to them, just like what you're doing now. This is life. You'll have to accept whatever it gives us. You can't complain about anything. This is what your fate is. It is unpredictable. It is you who makes your fate or life happier by accepting the facts of universe. As I already said, the universal truth forever is a lie. Remember that in your mind, and I thank the teachers who sacrificed their wax to light up the life of ours. Thank you so much everyone for giving me this opportunity to tell who I am, what journey MMS has been, what a splendid thing it was to me. Thank you so much.